beautiful friends. Today we are going to be doing part 3 of opening and unboxing my sister's Stitch Fix box that she accidentally on purpose sends to my house. And we are going to be unboxing this bad boy and seeing what goodies are inside. I think for this box she did ask specifically for dresses and for things to wear to weddings. So we will open it and see what's inside. Let's go! And as always, we have to measure it and see how much this box weighs, because I swear these boxes are getting smaller and smaller. This one weighs 3 pounds and 8 ounces. Here's what her bundle of a burrito looks like this time, and it looks real good and real interesting. In case you guys want to check out the other videos in this series, I will leave the card up above. And also for the first box, I was able to thrift a similar box of items, which I really liked. But one of the things I forgot to mention about why I kind of am loving this Stitch Fix series is because in her last box, I didn't do a thrifting dupe of that one because I couldn't find pieces that were similar in the thrift store. So for that, I actually thought that Stitch Fix did an amazing job. I had multiple people contact me wanting to know what items were in the box so they could get them themselves, and I couldn't even thrift something similar. So that's a win for Stitch Fix for me, just in case you guys want a personal, like, there you go. So we're gonna open her burrito now. First up, she got this sleeveless top, which is by 41 Hawthorn. It is the McLean split neck sleeveless blouse, which I will leave right here. And this one was $38, so let's try it on. This one is pretty. It's got the V-neck here and it's got the polka dots. It looks really cute on. It is a little long for me because I'm very petite. I'm only 5'1". You can see it basically goes the length of my shorts. So it is a little long for me, but I feel like this is one where you could definitely pretty easily tuck this in, and then suddenly this would be a really cute piece for this summer. My only thing is this shirt is really thin, which right now it's like 1,000 degrees outside, so I think that would be absolutely perfect to not swelter and boil. But on the flip side, it might be a little bit see-through, so you may be able to see your bra, which some people don't mind. But if you were buying this to wear to like a work office, you might have to wear another top under it. But it doesn't look see-through on the camera, so maybe it's not actually see-through in real life. But I think this one she will really like. Again, I think she'll like it because it's just so stinking lightweight. Like, this is the perfect top to wear to a barbecue or anything where you're gonna be outside in this heat, because literally my hair keeps frizzing because it is so stinking hot and humid outside. So this one I think is a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Next up is the French gray Mariana, I'm not sure, knit dress. Again, I'll put that on the screen. And this dress is $48. And this one, the material is really soft. It's that kind of like, it's not jersey knit, but it's like that micro suede knit. I don't even know how to explain what this material is, but it's the really soft material, so it feels super good. This dress I think my sister is going to love, and here's why. It has sleeves, and because it's made out of that super comfy material, it has the sleeves where you can actually move around at work or at play or if you're at a barbecue, and it's not the issue of like, it has sleeves but now if I go like this your whole dress comes up. No, it stays pretty intact, which is really nice, and you can move. So this one is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I think she's really gonna enjoy this one because again, it has freaking sleeves and it's really soft. The only downside, this material does seem like it might be a little bit on the hotter side, so I think she's gonna really appreciate this one. 10 out of 10. Next up is this dress. It is the Kaileigh Holt brushed knit dress, and it looks like it's gonna be really cute. This one feels like it's gonna be a lot lighter of a material to wear. Here is our next dress, and this is one of those where it has that weird V, where when I initially put it on, it was here, and I'm just never really sure where you're supposed to put the wrappy part of this, but you know, whatever. I think this one actually looks really good, looks really flattering, and one of the great things about this is the length. This one on me, because again, I'm very petite, This one on me comes below my knees just a little bit. So if you were looking for a dress that was work appropriate, this one feels perfect. And the best part about this dress is that I actually feel like I look age appropriate and not like a 12-year-old who's just been stealing someone else's clothing. I like the material because it's really lightweight. It doesn't hug anywhere really weird because I have definitely gained some of that weight that everyone has gained the past year, and a lot of times dresses really tend to hug really badly there and look awful, and I really don't think this one hugs at all. I think this one just would flatter a lot of figures and make a lot of people look really, really good. It also seems like it's a really flattering neckline and wouldn't really matter like how big or small your chest is. It would just look really good overall. So I like this one too. I think this one looks really good. The next item up is this dress, which is the French Gray Isabel knit keyhole dress. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I thought it looked like a muumuu or something you would wear to bed, like a nightgown. I'm just not loving this like lace they chose here. I don't know, I don't like it. I think it looks like a nightgown. I think it feels like a nightgown. Maybe it'll look really, really cute on and I can be proven wrong. The material is really, really soft and I mean the color's pretty. It's just the whole thing about it says nightgown to me. I don't know. It probably doesn't look that bad in the camera. I really don't know. You guys are going to have to tell me in the comments below if you love this one or if you're with me and you're just like, I don't know. I feel like this one's one of those weird cuts where it's not doing anything here and it's also kind of clinging to my stomach in a way that I just don't love. This one is fine lengthwise. It comes a little bit above my knee. I guess I could pull it down too. I personally really don't like this dress. I just don't know. There's nothing about it that to me would make me want to pay for it, but maybe I'm wrong. You guys, again, let me know. Let me know what you think. All right, and then it seems like they always throw in one item that perplexes me every time. This dress included, but at least I get, she asked for summer clothing, so this is a dress that would work for summer. But then they also included a blazer, and I'm not really sure where we're going in this blazer. This blazer is by Skies Are Blue. It's the Asa knit blazer, and it is $68. I always find that for us, it's never the, you know, the cheapest item is the one that you're like, oh, I don't really like that item, but it's cheaper to buy all 5 with the Stitch Fix math than it would be to just get, you know, 4 of the items. I always find they include one expensive item that we just really don't like and don't want to keep. So we're gonna try this on and see. You know what? This is probably actually a really cute blazer and it's kind of trendy and cute. My sister does work in an office job, so she would have somewhere to wear this. It's not as heavy of a material as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be crazy ridiculously heavy and just like, ugh, awful. But if you worked somewhere that you have a lot of air conditioning, this would actually be probably really cute. It hits at a pretty good length. You can see in relation to this dress. My pants, my high-waisted pants would come up to here, and then it also has a different material right here than the actual jacket, so it gives it a little bit of pizzazz. So overall, I think this jacket would be pretty cool. Now for everyone's favorite part of the video, which is the Stitch Fix math, where I break down the cost of everything and let you know how much it would be and how much it would be if we bought all 5 of these items. So everything included is $262, and if we buy all 5 items, because we know with Stitch Fix, if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, we would save $65.50, which would basically mean that if she loves all of the items except this coat, it would only be $3 extra for her to get this coat versus not getting this coat, with the way Stitch Fix math works. So that would take her total down to $196.50, and then she gets a styling credit of $20. I never know what that actually means. Her shipping was free as always, which would make her order total $176.50. So if she keeps everything in this box, it is $176, which means that if she kept every single item, it would make them roughly $35.30 per item. We're now gonna play the part of the game where I tell you what I think she would actually wear. And again, let me know in the comments which item you guys love, hate, whatever. I think she will end up keeping this shirt because if she only kept this shirt, which was $38, and then minus her $20 styling fee, which you pay anyway, that would make it $18, which is not bad. I really like this shirt. I think this shirt is definitely worth the $38 and is really good. I think she'll probably also keep these two dresses because they're really cute, they're really flattering, and I think they'll be absolutely perfect for summer. I don't, however, think she'll probably keep this jacket. It's just not really her aesthetic, but maybe she will. Maybe I'll be totally wrong. This dress, the only way she's keeping this dress is if this thing is the free item in the box. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and it helps me. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic week. If you guys have any Stitch Fix questions and you guys are loving this series, just let me know down below. Never hurts, and it always makes my day and just makes me feel so happy when you guys leave comments. I hope you guys have a fantastic one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!